வெல்கம் டு கேம்ஸ் கல்வி சேனல். இந்த வீடியோவில் 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சயின்ஸ் யூனிட் 5 மூமெண்ட்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரோமன், சூஸ் த பெஸ்ட் ஆன்சர். 1. Which of the following parts of our body help us in movement? 1 and 3, அதாவது bones, muscles. 2. Which one of the following organisms lack muscles and skeleton for movements? Snail. 3. Upper jaw and skull joints are immovable. 4. Why do underwater divers wear fin-like flippers on their feet to swim easily in water? 5. External air is supported by cartilage. 6. Cockroach moves with the help of its whole body. 7. Which one of the following categories of vertebrae are correctly numbered? Cervical 7. Fill in the blanks. 1. Movement of organism from place to place is called locomotion. 2. Movement refers to change in position of the part of an organism body. 3. A structure which provides rigid framework to the body is called skeleton. 4. Axial skeleton in human consists of skull, facial bones, sternum, ribs, vertebral column. 5. Appendicular skeleton in human consists of pelvic, pectoral, girdle. 6th one, a place where two bones meet in termed as joint. Smooth muscle is attached to soft parts of the body like blood vessels, iris, bronchi and the skin. Radial muscle makes pupil of eyes wider. 3. State true or false. If false, correct the statement. 1. Skull in humans consists of 22 bones. 2. Second, there are 12 pairs of ribs in human body. True. 3. Pelvic girdle is a part of axial skeleton. False. Correct statement. Pelvic girdle is a part of appendicular skeleton. 4th one, hinge joint is slightly movable joint. True. Cardiac muscle is a voluntary muscle. Correct statement. Cardiac muscle is a involuntary muscle. அது அப்போ ட்ரூன்னு இருக்கு. கரெக்டான ஆன்சர் ஃபால்ஸ். 6th one, the flexor and the extensor muscle of the arm are antagonistic muscles. True. What is skeleton? The skeleton system provides the hard structure of or framework to the human body which supports and protects the body. It composed of connective tissues like bones, cartilage, tendons, and ligaments. What is cranium? Skull has 22 bones, of which 8 bones are fixed together to form the cranium. It is called brain box since it protects the brain. Third, why our backbone is slightly movable. In the backbone, vertebrae are joined by gliding points which allow the body to the bent back, front or sidewards. Differentiate axial and appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton. The axial skeleton consists of the bones along the axis or central line of the human body and consists of the skull, facial bones, sternum, ribs and vertebral column. Appendicular skeleton. The appendicular skeleton contains the bones in the appendages of the body as well as the structures that connect the appendages to the axial skeleton. It comprises the shoulder girdle, the arm, wrist and hand bones, the pelvic girdle and the leg, ankle and foot bones. What is ligament? A ligament is a band of strong fibrous tissue which connects a bone to a bone. Define muscle. Muscles are long bundles of contractile tissue which has a fixed end and movable end which pulls some other part. 7. Differentiate tendons and ligament. Tendon. They are made up of elastic tissue. They are short bands of tough fibrous connective tissues. They attach muscle to a bone. They connect one bone to another. Answer briefly. Differentiate between the following. First, A. Movement and locomotion. Movement is the act of changing the place or position by one or more parts of the body. Locomotion is the movement of an organism from one place to another. It can either be voluntary or involuntary. It is always voluntary. 3. A movement takes place at the biological level. Locomotion takes place at the organism level. 4th, movement requires energy. Locomotion does not necessarily require energy. Endoskeleton and exoskeleton. Endoskeleton, it is the skeleton found inside the body. Exoskeleton, it is the skeleton found on the exterior layer of the body. It original from mesoderm. It original from embryonic ectoderm or mesoderm. Example, human beings. Scales of fish, feathers of birds. Next, pectoral and pelvic girdle. Pectoral girdle, it is situated in the shoulder region. It is situated in the hip region. It gives articulation to forelimbs. It gives Articulation to legs are limp. The shoulder blade and collarbone remains separate. 3 bones are fused to form a single hip bone. 4th one, they are comparatively lighter. They are strong to take up lot of stress. D. Ball and socket joint and hinge joint. Ball and socket joint, hinge joint. A ball-shaped head of the one bone articulates with the cup-like socket of a adjacent bone. A cylindrical protrusion of one bone articulates with a trough-shaped depression of an adjacent bone. Movement can occur in 3 planes. The joint allows the greatest range of movement. Movement is restricted to one plane. This joint allows bending and straightening only. Example: shoulder, hip, elbow, knee, ankle. Voluntary and involuntary muscle. Voluntary muscle. They are straighter muscles. They are non-straighter muscles. They are attached to bones found in arms, legs. They are attached to soft parts of the body like blood vessels, iris, skin, etc. They are used as per our will. They are not under our control. இதோட இந்த வீடியோ முடியுது. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க.